Welcome to the Santos Ranch helicopter hunt. Here we see the shooter in position and he's ready to go hunt hogs. The pilot really does all the searching for hogs. Ideally, he's looking for a big group of hogs. When he sees a group, he will maneuver the helicopter so the shooters can start shooting. The shooter will have the hogs right outside the window. The helicopter pilot tips the helicopter so the shooter can get a clean shot. When the group is busted up, the pilot moves on to look for another bunch of hogs. We have a lot of hogs on the ranch, and you can expect to do a lot of shooting. After about 30 minutes, the helicopter comes back and we load another group of shooters. You determine how long the shooters are going to shoot, but normally they'll shoot for at least 30 minutes and then we swap out hunters. We can have one or two shooters at a time. It's a lot of fun. Everybody enjoys the hog hunt. Come and join us.